Out of Garland County, where the snow-covered roads and brought plenty of smiles to the Spa City.
Several inches of snow fell in Hot Springs Wednesday.
In Hot Springs, because the snow is falling.
And we could see over the next few hours about 1 inch an hour of snowfall.
9-10 inches of snow. It certainly cannot be ruled out.
Roads are going to be dicey wherever you go, whether it be freezing rain, sleet, or snow. It's all very slick. There you can see the road is covered in snow. The ground is becoming covered, and it doesn't take long for these conditions to go downhill. We already have accidents reported out in the western part of the state, even in areas along 270 west of Hot Springs. Got a reported accident out there near the Crystal Springs and Royal area.
What's going on, guys? Blake Hawthorn, Itshisturf. In today's video, we've got snow. Be clearing roads with the skid steer, whatever it takes. Hope y'all get floods out of this deal. Left wife to know, and sure just lots of really. We're in Arkansas. We got over 12 inches of snow. They say it's the most snow we've had in like 50 years. It wasn't ice and stuff too, it was snow. In today's video, you're gonna see a sidewalk montage. If you recognize some of the properties from last year's snow, leave it in the comments, because then I know that you're an OG. We cleared over 10 miles of street in our residential subdivisions and neighborhoods, and we did nearly 30 properties. We've got the machines already running, getting the church cleaned up here. We just picked up our other skid steer. About to have 2 skids and a tractor going. Kevin's about to get one of the skids. We got my dad in a skid. We ain't got no blowers today, so we're gonna try this a little bit different. So we're still in the south, we're still doing it difficult. We don't have plows. We get a snow, like last time we had a snow was 2 years ago. The time before that was like 10 years. So something that didn't melt away in like 20 hours. So here we go, let's see what happens. Today's scripture of the day comes to us from Lamentations. We're at Lamentations chapter 3, verses 22 and 23. It says, "The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new each and every morning. Guys, God bless. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You've got to watch till the end so that way you can see my attempt at an igloo. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.